The Kerry-Lugar bill is the latest controversy in Pakistan. Senator John Kerry is in Islamabad and have been talking to the top political and military leaders about the merits of the Kerry-Lugar bill. Leading in the opposition to the bill is the largest opposition party, the PMLN.
What people are questioning is that the manner in which these conditionalities have been enforced, whether it meets the requirements of Pakistan's dignity. And this is the point which the government should have communicated and conveyed to US lawmakers, and they did a very poor job.
The PMLQ thinks some clauses of the bill are a mortal threat to Pakistan.
By accepting that you have been doing state terrorism in the past, you're putting at jeopardy your entire country's national security, because India then has complete moral high ground.
The ruling PPP believes Pakistan's needs are many and the Kerry-Lugar bill can fulfill most of the needs. Most of all, it is convinced that the bill is in no way against the country's interest.
We are not going to support anything which is against the country or the sovereignty of Pakistan. But Pakistan needs money. We don't have money. It is not our fault. It was the fault of the dictatorships.
The PPP leadership is very disturbed by the opposition's negative portrayal of the bill.
It is in the interest of Pakistan to look at it with a rational point of view and not get emotional about it. I fear the opposition is trying to play a political role in this, and they're trying to get kudos and they're playing to the public.
It seems the Kerry-Lugar bill has become more of a domestic political dispute than an economic or foreign policy issue. The opposition is not even willing to accept the explanatory note attached to the bill by Senator Kerry and Congressman Berman. As Senator John Kerry tries to allay concerns of the Pakistani civilian and military leadership about the Kerry-Lugar bill, there remains a strong trust deficit between the Pakistani opposition and the government. The opposition PMLN and PMLQ have totally rejected this bill. Other opposition parties are also against the Kerry-Lugar bill, but the government maintains that the Kerry-Lugar bill is very much in the interest of Pakistan. Asim Awan, Dawn News, Islamabad.